Today, I'm making some brand new slime textures. I went around the warehouse and grabbed the weirdest things that I could find, and we're gonna be mixing them into slime. Let's get into it. But first, Orbeez. You guys have seen me put Orbeez in slime before, but I got this really cool Mr. Beast Orbeez blaster, and so I feel like putting it in my slime again. So I got this blob of slime. We're just gonna scoop some Orbeez. Oh, it already feels super satisfying. I feel like this time the Orbeez incorporated into the slime much better than last time because we have more slime, but now I'm gonna dump my slime in the Orbeez. Orbeez and slime is always a good time, but this is getting really messy, so let's move on to the next one. Candles. Candles really smell good. Especially this one. But does it mix well with slime? We're gonna find out. But first, we gotta melt the wax. All right, our candles are melted, so let's start pouring it in. It's kind of hot, so we gotta be careful. Ooh, some of these smell so good, guys. Okay, so they're already kind of getting hard, so I'm gonna get this little scraper thing. Start scraping it in. Ooh, it's like applesauce. Gotta get that wax liquid. All right, we got all of the wax in there. These candles are destroyed. It's time to mix. Guys, this looks like butter. I'm so excited. Ready? Ooh, it's really warm. It's like butter slime. Look at all the butter chunks. Feels like I'm just putting my hands in butter. Yeah, it's kind of like a little spa treatment. The thing is, all of the wax is just starting to get really hard as it mixes with the slime. There's wax in my nail beds. Ooh. Okay, this slime texture is super messy, but it's really relaxing. I think we need to warm it up again. All right, my slime's all warmed up. Let's see what kind of texture it has. Ooh, it's super warm. I put this in the air fryer, guys. It feels like I'm putting my hands in mac and cheese. I love this slime. It honestly has like the best smell ever. It's a combination of amazing smells. This is a really good 9 out of 10. Let's move on to the next one. Toilet paper. We're gonna be very generous here, guys. Oh. 3 hours later. That's a lot of toilet paper. Christian, can you help me unroll these toilet papers? That's a lot of toilet paper. Thanks, Christian. All right, this is like 97% toilet paper, 3% slime. Let's mix it. I'm just gonna roll this up, kind of like a little taco. My prediction is that the toilet paper is just kind of going to melt a little bit. Hopefully that's the case, because right now it's just a hard toilet paper rock. This is not working. Guys, I think we added a little too much toilet paper, because this is like, it's like absorbing the slime, and now it's just this like rock, this toilet paper rock. All right, we're just gonna spread this out and add more slime. We're gonna add another layer. This is honestly super hard to mix. I don't think toilet paper and slime mix well, guys. You can just see a bunch of chunks everywhere. Like, what is this? I think this is like the weirdest texture I've ever tried to make. All right, if you see here, I'm just grabbing a chunk and it's just not really incorporating well. It's really rough. And I'd say toilet paper and slime does not work. Popcorn! I love popcorn. And I've always wanted to mix it into my slime, so today's the day. And I'm just gonna dump the popcorn in. I think that it's gonna be super crunchy. It's gonna be a new texture that we've never seen before. And it's honestly gonna look really cool as I squish it in. Guys, it's so hard not to eat it while I'm mixing this. I'm not gonna lie, I ate a few. It's so crunchy. But guys, just because I'm mixing my food into slime doesn't mean you can mix food into slime. Never eat slime. Remember that. It's making my hands feel super soft because of all the butter that it has. And it's honestly really good for some nice ASMR crunching sounds. Yeah, I'd say popcorn with slime is a great combination. All right, let's move on to the next one. Up next, we got marbles. I have a ton of marbles here, and I'm really curious to know what it's like when it mixes into slime. My prediction is that it's gonna look super beautiful when I mix it in because they're clear and this is clear slime. I feel like it's kind of gonna look like our jelly cube slime, but it's not gonna be squishy. As a kid, I loved collecting marbles, but my mom was always so scared that I was gonna end up eating them. I'm happy that now I get to mix it with slime. Okay, I feel like we need more slime than this because they're just starting to fall everywhere. Ah, no. This kind of looks like fish eggs. All right, let's see if I can give it a good stretch. So this slime looks really cool, but the marbles are just starting to drop everywhere. So I will say marbles and slime, it's not really a good texture. All right, our last and definitely not least, tiny foods. I'm so excited to mix these into slime because they're all super unique. Like, look, we even have like a little chocolate bar. Wow, there's a little chocolate. We even got some pans, a whole mixer, spoons, and a bunch of little foods. All right, let's mix. Oh my gosh, I love this little Oreo. Honestly, guys, this texture is so cool. And if you want to check out a bunch of other nice textures, check out peachybbies.com. We have any slime that you can imagine, so many different colors and textures. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m., so don't miss it. Yeah, I love that you can see like all the different foods. There's donuts, there's cheese, pans, anything that you can think of. Honestly, this slime is really cool. There you have it, 6 brand new slime textures. Some worked out, some didn't. But if you have any ideas on new slime textures, make sure to leave a comment because I'm running out of ideas. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.